Have you ever found yourself pondering the true power of your thoughts? It's fascinating to think about how something as intangible as a thought can manifest into tangible realities. This video explores that connection, particularly through the use of affirmations. Affirmations are not just feel-good quotes or motivational sayings. They are a fundamental tool in transforming your thoughts into reality. Today, we're going to look into what affirmations are, backed by science, and how you can craft and use them effectively to bring about the changes you desire in your life. Let's start by defining what an affirmation really is. At its core, an affirmation is a positive, precise statement that is used to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and genuinely believe in them, you start to make significant changes in your life. But affirmations are more than just repeating positive phrases. They need to be formulated in such a way that they reinforce a visual and positive image of your goals and your path towards them. Think of affirmations as seeds you plant in your mind every day. Just as a seed needs the right environment to grow, affirmations require a mindset aligned with belief and positivity to blossom into reality. It's crucial, therefore, that your affirmations are not just wishful thinking, but are reflections of your real aspirations and are stated in the present tense to create a sense of immediacy and presence. Now, you might wonder why just saying something positive about yourself can make any real difference. The effectiveness of affirmations lies in their ability to reprogram your thought patterns. They push your brain to form new clusters of positive thought neurons. In simpler terms, the more you tell yourself something, the more your brain starts to accept it as truth, and gradually these thoughts translate into actions. Transitioning from understanding what affirmations are to appreciating why they work, let's look at the science behind this practice. It's important to recognize that the effectiveness of affirmations is not just anecdotal. There's substantial psychological research supporting this method. Psychologists have found that self-affirmations, when practiced regularly, can strengthen the neural pathways in your brain. This concept is rooted in the theory of neuroplasticity, which suggests that the brain is adaptable and can be molded by experience and repeated thoughts and actions. The principle here is relatively straightforward. Just as exercise strengthens the body, affirmative thoughts reinforce the mind. Each time you affirm your capabilities or your goals, you're essentially training your brain to focus on positive outcomes. Over time, this training helps diminish the space that negative thoughts occupy and increases your overall mental resilience. This shift is critical not just for personal happiness, but for driving real, tangible changes in your life. Now that you understand the importance and scientific backing of affirmations, the next step is learning to craft affirmations that truly resonate with your personal aspirations. Effective affirmations are specific, positive, and set in the present tense. This means constructing statements that not only envision success, but also place you in the middle of that success right now, as if it's currently happening. A good starting point is to focus on areas of your life you wish to improve or feel more positive about. For instance, if your goal is to become more confident in your professional life, an affirmation like, "I am confident and competent in my work," can be powerful. It's essential that the affirmation is believable to you. If it feels too far-fetched, it's less likely to impact your thought patterns positively. The statement should also be repeated consistently. Repetition not only helps in embedding the affirmations in your subconscious, but also plays a pivotal role in breaking the old patterns of negative thinking. The process of creating these affirmations can be very personal and introspective. It involves identifying your doubts and the negative beliefs holding you back, and systematically transforming these into positive, affirming statements that propel you forward. And the key to effective affirmations lies in your connection with the statement. The more it resonates with you personally, the more powerful its effect on your mindset. Crafting effective affirmations is a strategic approach towards altering your thought patterns. It's not about creating a fantasy world, rather it's about reinforcing your ability to achieve the goals you set for yourself through positive mental reinforcement. By aligning your thoughts with your actions, you start to see the power of affirmations manifesting in your daily life. Moving forward with the application of affirmations, let's explore how to seamlessly integrate them into your daily life. This integration is critical because consistency is the key to making affirmations work. One of the most effective ways to ensure that affirmations have the maximum impact is by incorporating them into your routine. Start your day with affirmations. Morning is a powerful time as your mind is just beginning to wake up and is highly receptive to suggestions. Speaking affirmations aloud after waking can set a positive tone for the day. Alternatively, if mornings are hectic, find another consistent time, like during a lunch break or right before bed. The goal is to choose a time when you can have a quiet moment to truly focus on and absorb these affirmations. Another method is to use affirmation reminders throughout the day. These can be post-it notes on your computer, wallpapers on your phone, or even alerts that bring your chosen affirmations to your attention at scheduled times. This method helps keep the positive statements active in your consciousness, which reinforces their power throughout the day. As you begin to incorporate affirmations into your life, you might encounter skepticism, both internally and from others, or find it challenging to keep a regular practice. Doubts are natural, especially when you're trying to replace long-held negative thoughts with positive ones. The key to overcoming these doubts is persistence. When doubts arise, it's helpful to remind yourself why you started using affirmations in the first place. Reflect on the goals and the positive changes you are aiming to manifest. Understanding that transformation is a process can also ease the frustration that sometimes accompanies these efforts. It's important to be patient and kind to yourself as your mind adjusts to this new way of thinking. If you find yourself struggling with maintaining a regular affirmation routine, try to simplify the process. Perhaps you're trying to fit too many affirmations into your routine, or maybe the affirmations don't quite resonate as they should. It's okay to adjust and tailor your affirmations until they feel right. The effectiveness of affirmations comes from their ability to resonate deeply with you, not from the sheer number of times you repeat them. To further enhance the power of your affirmations, combining them with visualization techniques can be incredibly effective. Visualization is the process of creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes, paired with the emotive resonance of those outcomes being real. When you visualize, you're not just seeing the end result in your mind's eye, you're living it emotionally. This technique adds a layer of depth to the affirmations, making them not just statements you repeat, but experiences you feel deeply. The practice involves more than seeing. It's about feeling. When you affirm that you are successful and visualize yourself in a moment of success, try to feel the satisfaction, the happiness, and the pride associated with that success. This emotional engagement can significantly enhance the neural imprinting process that makes affirmations effective. To integrate visualization, you can start by setting aside a few minutes each day to focus on your main affirmations. Close your eyes, repeat your affirmation, and construct a detailed scenario in your mind where the affirmation is true. This practice can be particularly powerful just before going to sleep or during a quiet morning moment. The key is consistency and emotional involvement. Ensure that your visualizations are as real and as emotionally charged as possible to maximize their effectiveness. As you integrate affirmations and visualization into your daily routine, it's important to monitor your progress. This doesn't mean looking for huge changes overnight, but observing subtle shifts in your thoughts and behaviors. A practical way to track these changes is by keeping an affirmation journal. Each day, jot down the affirmations you've used, the visualizations you've imagined, and any feelings or experiences that stood out. This record can serve as a feedback mechanism, helping you identify which affirmations resonate deeply and which may need refinement. Adjusting your affirmations is a natural part of the process. As you evolve, so too will your goals and needs. An affirmation that felt right a month ago might not hold the same power today, especially if you've made significant progress in that area. This adjustment is not a sign of setback, but of growth. Refining your affirmations ensures they remain aligned with your current aspirations and continue to push you towards new achievements. Think of affirmations not just as a technique for immediate change, but as a lifelong tool that can support continuous growth and self-discovery. The power of affirmations lies in their ability to reshape your mindset, influencing your thoughts, actions, and ultimately, your reality. Regular practice of affirmations coupled with diligent monitoring and adjustment can transform them from simple statements into a robust foundation for positive living. The journey of using affirmations is as important as the destination. Each day offers a new opportunity to reinforce positive thoughts and diminish the negative ones, gradually building the life you envision. While you move forward, keep the principles of consistency, emotional engagement, and adaptability at the forefront of your practice. With these strategies, affirmations can become not just a part of your routine, but a cornerstone of your approach to a fulfilling and successful life. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our upcoming content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.